This is LocalAGI, and it runs an entire platform of AI agents completely on your own hardware. No cloud, no API keys, no data ever leaving your machine. You build agents in a simple web interface, hook them up to Slack, Discord, or GitHub, and they plan, reason, and remember, all powered by models running on your own CPU or GPU. And here's the kicker. It's a drop-in replacement for OpenAI's own API. So there's one tiny change that makes your existing AI code run locally and free. Stick around, because that trick is the whole reason developers are switching. LocalAGI comes from Ettore Di Giacinto, better known online as Muddler. If that name rings a bell, it's because he's also the creator of LocalAI, the hugely popular open source project that lets you run OpenAI compatible models on your own machine. So this isn't someone's first weekend experiment. It's a natural next step from a developer who has spent years building the LocalAI stack that LocalAGI sits right on top of. Let's talk about the number that really matters, your monthly bill. Cloud AI agents charge you per token, and those costs stack up fast the moment your agents start running around the clock. Because LocalAGI runs the models on hardware you already own, that ongoing bill drops to zero. No metered usage, no surprise invoice at the end of the month, no credit card on file at all. You trade a cloud subscription for electricity you're already paying for. So what can you actually build with it? Quite a lot. You create agents with no code at all. Straight from the web interface, you can spin up a whole team of cooperating agents from a single prompt. You wire them into Discord, Slack, Telegram, GitHub issues, and more. You give them long-term memory and planning so they handle multi-step tasks, and every agent you make automatically speaks the OpenAI Responses API. It's a full agent platform, not just a chat window. And because the whole thing is web-based, you can manage it from anywhere. Here's the LocalAGI project open in a mobile browser. The entire control panel runs in a browser tab, which means once it's running on your home server, you can check on your agents, tweak their behavior, or kick off a new task right from your phone on the couch. No desktop app to install, no client to configure, just open a tab and you're in. Now, that trick I promised. Most AI agent tools are thin wrappers that quietly ship your prompts and your data off to a cloud API. LocalAGI flips that completely. Because every agent it creates speaks the OpenAI Responses API, you take code that already talks to OpenAI, change a single line, the base URL, and point it at your own LocalAGI instead. Your app doesn't know the difference, but now nothing leaves your network, and there's no bill. Same interface, totally different owner of your data. And this is a serious, long-running project. It's been in active development since 2023, it's already on version 2.9, and it's the work of well over a dozen contributors written in Go. Nearly 1,900 stars, hundreds of forks, and it plugs straight into the broader LocalAI ecosystem for models and knowledge bases. For infrastructure you're going to run on your own server, that maturity and that momentum are exactly what you want to see. A few honest notes before you jump in. First, LocalAI is only as good as your hardware. It runs on a plain CPU, but for fast, capable agents, you'll really want a decent GPU and enough memory for larger models. Second, this is self-hosted infrastructure, so you are the one setting it up and keeping it running, not a support team. And third, while the software is free under the MIT license, you're trading a cloud bill for your own electricity and hardware. For privacy and control, most people find that a very fair trade. If you're tired of piping your private prompts through someone else's cloud, LocalAGI is absolutely worth an afternoon. Spin it up with Docker, open the web UI, and build your first private agent in minutes. The repository and the setup guide are both linked in the description. If keeping your AI on your own hardware sounds good to you, subscribe here, because we dig up a fresh open source project exactly like this every single week.